Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And yeah, you can see the road kind of cracked here. So, yeah. Sorry, I just had a call. And yeah. So, yeah, it doesn't take long to monitor what's going on. So we're in the middle of the call. I'm sorry, I just got sick of it. I mean, what are you trying to do?
Make the video about explaining how Dennis went to jail.
Okay, let's do that. So since Dennis Daly went up to jail, so I don't know what happened because of something, I don't know what just happened. And yeah, I realized that it would be okay, he will still publish more video. And I still didn't realize it at all. So I'm right here behind him. Yeah, I don't know about Dennis Daly, so man, that's crazy. Right. That is cool. You see what I'm doing? And my voice is getting low. I mean, no, not that low. Very deep. I wouldn't expect that much for a whole. But this will premiere at 7 p.m. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace out, everybody.